Hello kids! Today, let us learn about the singular and plural nouns. Singular means one, while plural means more than one. There are rules in forming the plural nouns. Most nouns form their plural by adding s to the word. For example, apple, apples. Balloon, balloons. Cat, cats. Elephant, elephants. Hand, hands. Flower, flowers. Ribbon, ribbons. Shoe, shoes. Jacket, jackets. Rabbit, rabbits. Crown, crowns. Star, stars. Drum, drums. Tree, trees. Banana, bananas. Pencil, pencils. Cup, cups. Wheel, wheels. To make nouns that end in letters X, S, double S, SH, or CH plural, add ES. For example, watch, watches. Glass, glasses. Dress, dresses. Toothbrush, toothbrushes. Box, boxes. Church, churches. Other examples are batch, batches. Patch, patches. Bench, benches. Dish, dishes. For words ending in Y, add S if the letter before Y is a vowel. For example, boy, boys. Tray, trays. Key, keys. Toy, toys. Monkey, monkeys. Donkey, donkeys. day, days, guy, guys, valley, valleys, trolley, trolleys. If the letter before Y is a consonant, change Y into I and add ES. For example, the word baby ends in Y. The letter before Y is letter B, which is a consonant. So, we will change Y into I and add ES. Baby, babies. Cherry, cherries. Butterfly, butterflies. Lady, ladies. Dragonfly, dragonflies. Other examples are country, countries. Berry, berries. Story, stories. Party, parties. City, cities. Remedy, remedies. Candy, candies. Family, families. We form the plural of nouns ending in F or FE by changing F or FE to VES and adding S or ES. For example, to change the word leaf in plural form, change F to V and then add ES. Leaf, leaves. Calf, calves. Shelf, shelves. Elf, elves. Half, halves. Wolf, wolves. Other examples are life, lives. Knife, knives. Loaf, loaves. Thief, thieves. However, some nouns that end in F just need S to form plural. We should memorize these words. For example, roof, roofs. Handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Chef, chefs. Other examples are chief, chiefs. Cliff, cliffs. Sheriff, sheriffs. Belief, beliefs. Some nouns change their spelling when in plural form. They need to be memorized. For example, mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Child, children. Goose, geese. Ox, oxen, foot, feet, man, men, woman, women. Other examples are bacterium, bacteria, datum, data, louse, lice, policeman, policemen. Some nouns have the same spelling for the singular and plural forms. For example, sheep, sheep, deer, deer, cattle, cattle, salmon, salmon. These are the things you need to remember about singular and plural nouns.